Welcome back, guys, to another guys. So yeah, it is a super windy weekend today, so I'm just making sure that I hook my wig down properly, because one thing we not want to do is get embarrassed with this wig blowing off of my head. Oh, and I need to deep condition my hair this weekend. Like this needs some deep conditioning, and I'm gonna probably like put some product in this hair. And I'm not doing much. I'm going on the road with Monique. I'm gonna be doing some meal prep this week, and I've really been feeling for, like, you want your Jamaican food. I want some boiled banana, some salt fish, I want some bun and cheese. Okay, yeah, bun with the cheese, not just the bun. Morning, but I wanted to fill in my eyebrows a little bit. I'm looking for my eyebrow pencil. Guys, one thing I love about going out with Monique as a fellow Jamaican, she understands. We were on the call this morning. We wake up like about after 8, and I was on the phone with her, and then I was like, so what are the plans for this weekend? And she was like, oh, I don't know what you want to do. And I'm like, yeah, I don't know either. But then I was like, you know what, all plans of going horseback riding and all of the fun activities, that's put on pause, because guess what, you see this weather, it's windy, outside feeling like 40 degrees and all of that. That's how I get sick. I'm not doing that, okay? I'm tired of it. I will put a pause on all outdoor activities until the weather levels out, because right now it's very bipolar. One day 60 degrees, next day it's 30 degrees. I can't do that. That's how your girl gets sick. Hence why I'm wearing turtleneck. Guys, last year I think was when I discovered my love for turtlenecks. I hated turtlenecks before because I used to feel like turtlenecks were always like squeezing my neck. But I think the more I wore them is the more I got comfortable with them. And one thing I learned is that when my neck is exposed, I tend to get sick. So I've been wearing lots of turtlenecks. Like right here now, I have a regular black shirt, and then I put this little vest over it to keep me warm, and then I'll put a jacket over it. And I think it's like, a cute little outfit. But guys, turtleneck and me, like this right now. I'm not giving up turtleneck. Yeah, I think that's good enough. I'm not doing any makeup because my face is like breaking out. Mind you, I have a lot going on this week coming up. Guys, listen, let me tell you something. Don't make stress killing off here. Take my foolish advice, because yes, I might have all the best things to tell for other people, but I don't take my own advice sometimes. And right now, guys, I have a lot going on, and I've had past appointments with my doctors. They draw blood from me. They're running all sorts of tests. This week I have an ultrasound, because a lot, they're just trying to find some answers for some stuff. Oh, life is life, I tell you. Life is worth living. Oh my gosh, I got my camera. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Y'all know your girl loves pink. You know what, I'm gonna put on some pink lip gloss. I'm feeling like that girl today. Okay, is Monique outside? Is it? Because I just put on some pink gloss. Yeah, so it might be the camera that needs to focus so y'all can see. But anyways, I love today's fit. It's it's super cute and chic. Oh my gosh, want one of these. I need my Shirley biscuit. This, I love this on tea at night time. Like our grandma. I never have it with I need seasoning, money. I need seasoning. Mush bar. Ooh, coconut milk powder. I'll pick up one. It's always good for having at your house. Oh, yeah. You see from the time we came, some I still have. Yeah, because I'm gonna make it whole leap, you understand? So I need tambourine ball. Yeah, tambourine ball, nice. I go a beauty supply store at. I love your bag, Monique. Love your bag. I go a beauty supply store and buy one bag of something. Okay, I need all of the different seasons that Monique. I need a Maggie. You know how long I want some Maggie? That's all-purpose. Which one? Alright, so we have a fish. What else we need? Chicken. Alright. I'm gonna need a little jerk. You know the little jerk one? Or I can buy the rub. Like the...
You can do the mild one.
Yeah.
But this is a little bit spicy.
This smell, this look like a bigger buckle. Traditional. Because of the same. Walker's wood. But this is spicy. Yeah. I have the better curry. But when I make, you know what? I should get one because, wait.
Do you make curry?
I make some curry, chicken and some naan.
Oh, we need to taste that naan.
I make it taste it when I make it this weekend. I have browning already. Because when you really out of, you know me I thought Monique? Oh, see them here, this me that look for. But them not have, them not see the...
Jerk?
Yeah, me that look for a big buckle.
Oh, the buckle?
Like, I say fish.
Oh, I didn't even know they make this in jerk.
I love this Monique. This in jerk, so good. You see when you make your salmon, if you want, give me two. You see if you make your, put it in here, sir. You see if you make your, what you call that Monique? Your jerk salmon.
Oh,
That, love it. I absolutely love it. Yeah. What else? Oh, my bag just done.
Yeah.
Who buy from months ago? Because I pick at it. Alright guys. I need this morning the Horlicks that we bought just finished.
Finish? We love Horlicks. I'm trying to buy it because it's
make it with almond milk. Yeah. But we're not buying no more Horlicks because sure milk I try to stay away from too much milk. Oh this I need vanilla.
You're gonna bake Christmas?
No sir, I'm not do them baking some of them Monique. And this is which one? The almond flavor. I need one of that too. Yeah, cause you know like if you make your porridge and them little something that you want. Those are stuff that I like to keep stocked in the house, you understand? So just in case you get up and you feel for coconut milk, we can easily get that at the store. Somebody need that. What else? Yes. I need bun too. I need bun. Excuse me. The one that you introduced me to. Oh, I need Lasco.
What flavor?
What flavor I like? I like get different flavor. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I've never had that.
Yeah.
What's that?
Almond. I try an almond flavor and which other one?
Carrot.
You see a vanilla? Or better, let me put back. Give me a big pack. How much for the
Vanilla?
big pack? Yeah, big pack of vanilla. Never we like this. Oh, look, Bunny. Excuse me. Oh, tropical rhythm. I haven't had one in so long. You know one?
Tropical rhythm?
Yeah.
I'm not buying it.
I love tropical rhythm. Yeah, tropical rhythm, nice one. How much sugar this?
A lot.
Mighty Jesus.
This is a one-time eating.
Monique.
That's why I don't
84%. Okay, I buy it one time. I lock my eyes.
This is a one-time.
One time. Me not buy no. Not even. Me buy mango carrot. Mango carrot is my favorite. But look at that amount of sugar. My word. You know, I really want a bun and cheese, but I think the last time I bought bun and cheese, the bun did look a bit dry. How you know when them fresh? Cause
see, when I pick these ones and I think that the food then fresh.
Oh, give me.
Remember, so then get scale up for a while. So I buy them to eat.
Give me 3. Yeah. Okay. Wait a minute, I don't want one tin. A cheese. I don't want one tin of cheese.
So there's fuck cheese
on. Oh, okay.
You remember them duck for the
yeah,
these
guys,
was
y'all
what
remember
Granny
this?
used to send me down at the Chinese people in shop go buy.
Yeah.
So duck bread and chocolate tea and roast
Oh
beef
my
Christmas
gosh.
morning. With this really good eye.
This is so. I never saw this before since I come up here.
Yes.
Oh my gosh! And y'all remember this? We used to buy this at shop for like $10 when your mother sent you and you take her change go buy. Oh my gosh! I've never drank one of these. The aloe. I've never drank one of that. The saltfish. We need saltfish. In here, some is still. Oh, the coconut water. The one we did buy. In here, we did buy it. It's good.
It's
More
good.
one. Pass one for me.
Because
Put it in here.
it's
So.
not.
It's not this added
It's not
sugar.
this, right.
I
It's
like
just
it.
So you have to keep frozen. For
Yeah.
you unfroze it.
So what is saltfish then?
Over there.
Oh, okay. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Oh. Whew. Oh, this one. Ugh. I think I got everything. This is the one you did tell me about, right? This one you buy. This. I like this. I can't bother with the real thing. Where miss? Oh, this is the red herring? No, this is.
Red herring.
Okay, them have a smaller pack. This.
If I eat it with fried dumpling,
Yeah, but I want it with green banana.
if I eat it with banana, I make start butter with banana and salt.
I don't know how to make that one there, but this is holy money. No, I'm not buy this because that's a holy. Like if it's just it's a one-time thing for me.
Right.
I'm not gonna eat off so much red
You
herring.
like it with fried dumpling?
Yeah, red herring and fried dumpling. Not me, she's the cook.
Breakfast time.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, so fried dumpling, but what I eat with it?
Yeah, good, good.
Oh, you don't?
Manish water in tea?
Yeah, maybe I need to buy a
Yeah.
saltfish and a
Guys, mutton. I never see this yet. Alright, so we are getting a green banana, turmeric. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it this week because I don't have the bottle, so that kind of defeat the whole purpose of it today. And ginger, I'll come back and buy the ginger. Oh my gosh, Monique, you know more piece of yam? A long time I don't eat yam, you know, just a little piece. A little piece. I forgot to call my mother, ask my mother how to cook yam.
Just peel and boil it, man.
Is this a little piece? Yeah, yes. That look good or that not good?
Yeah.
You know something to eat the yam in how long?
Yeah.
You ever give me nothing with yam? I don't remember. Oh, I need planting too. Them planting they look better than the one at the grocery store. The grocery store planting them look good. Oh. I want green banana. This is the one where you cook? Okay, cooking banana. Yeah, that's enough. How much that? 6? Yeah, that's enough. That can serve me for this week. And I want
I have 4 bananas. It's a yam.
Oh.
So what I made buy is
I'm gonna need planting too. Green plant. Oh wait. These are
could have fried for my breakfast.
that me I think about what the difference with green planting and yellow planting? No. What do you mean difference? Them not fried the same? Them
No.
not green planting not turn yellow?
Yeah, but this one I fry and press it. The one
Oh.
you just fry. You never eat green planting?
Yeah, but my thing say green planting eventually turn yellow planting because
It will, but to me don't taste the same.
it don't taste. Oh, okay. Alright, may I get a bag? Oh, protein shakes. And cut down how I may eat. Because we want to start workout back. So I'm looking at the and there so they have the Hello. Hi, do you make the juices? Do you add sugar to it and a sweetener to it, or it's
You have sugar water or regular water?
okay? So
You use regular water.
okay.
Usually it doesn't taste a lot.
Yeah, we don't want it sweet. We're going to the store with this on my head, never remember to take it off.
I don't even know. You can't.
You think it's your style?
Can maybe you know things your style.
I never style when we take it off. Well, no matter move yet. Let me get myself oh, accidentally put the sugar water.
May I tell you, because it is like something else in there.
Well, actually, because it have a little sweet. I'm going to say blueberry is supposed to sweet. Like blueberry
I know
sweet.
strawberry
but...
sweet, so. No strawberry sweet like that. They accidentally put something in there.
Yeah, something else extra in there. It just tastes like an artificial sweetener.
It does, yeah.
Because it, artificial sweetener leave a little taste in your mouth.
Yeah, you have that to it.
Yeah, that's why I don't like those. I'm gonna use artificial sweetener. No. Guys, so I got what is money? This is
strawberry
fruit. This is a strawberry blueberry thingy where them blend up natural juice. Should be no sugar, but me tasting something. Like it tastes like something, I don't know.
That's not normal.
People must be doing Black Friday shopping for real.
Probably, because Black Friday is no more Black Friday. Black Friday start a week before Black Friday.
Yes. I saw Black Friday sale on Walmart already.
Yeah. And all
that. And I'm like, come on guys.
It's no longer
but then again, remember say Black Friday come late this year too, so it kind of mess up a lot of. What's call Monique? We are in Monique, stop. We are in Lane Bryant. So now we're in Lane Bryant. Monique said this is where you get like the plus size nice bras. Oh, it's not. Yeah. This feel wire. This have a wire in there. No. So like plus size bra and so forth. Oh, is this wire? Oh. These all feel with wire, Monique. So, all of these are wire. These are all. Yeah, these are all wired. Oh my gosh, what a nice Monique. This dress nice, eh? It's $100. Yes, they make nice quality stuff though, but
so this should have been dry.
Oh, so this doesn't have. Oh, this feels nice, Monique. That feels nice. Oh, these are wired. But these are so nice. This oh, I like this color. This is like a gray. No, this is like a gray, well, like a dark. Oh, and I do like the mist. The mist are super nice. Oh, how cute are these? Oh my gosh! And they're on sale today for $5.99. It's $20 and it's $5.95. Money, you better. I get the most compliments with the meal sense. People don't. That I a meal, random meal. Yeah, no, people don't. So, Monica's getting me this one, the bourbon. Like, that's it. That's the. But like I said, when I'm shopping with you, I'm gonna walk there and I feel like I walk with my mother. I was like, Mommy, where are we going now? I see we will follow me Jamaican. That Jamaican accent can't hide anywhere.
There's someone called looking for a resident that we had the other day, and I answered the phone. And before she answered, she said, "You're Jamaican?"
Yeah, because the lady just seen the store. It's two Jamaicans who met today. Yeah. I remember the one in the store asking when him can come for breakfast. Yeah. And the lady just stopped a while ago and was like, "Where in Jamaica are you guys from?" So, thank you. Alright. Oh, so we're now in Carter's because I need to look at pajamas for Nevi, because Nevi needs some new pajamas. So yeah, I love Carter's pajamas and clothes for Nevi because it keeps her warm. Ooh, oh my gosh, these are so cute. The Barbie princess. No, I just see it cute. Oh, look here, Monique. They have a sale. Ooh, they have a Black Friday sale. Yeah. So, no man, but it's good that don't like to sleep on the blanket that keeps them warm. Yes. Yeah, these are small. Okay. To these, because never grow out to all of these. But like these, see them? Like it's soft. It's soft. I don't look a skirt here for Nevi because this is on sale. And yeah. So
Can buy some of
two, four, so five. She's 4. So this will fit her for next year.
Oh.
Because the highest they're talking about how Nevi outgrow the sleepers. Guess what? They make them in 5T too. So this year I'll be putting Nevi in her monkey suit. I cannot get over the monkey suit phase. Like, oh my gosh. If y'all know I love Nevi in a monkey suit. Because it just feels like the baby face still, you know? So
She don't know, so me block her right
Monique! Monique, make sure go now. Jeez. Monique, stop. Monique! Monique, you not make nobody beat me, no? Remember me tell you.
right. Before she just acknowledge him, just let me out.
Yeah.
She pushed down as if
She don't see your car.
right.
Hey Sam, me say Monique.
People want to fight here now.
Me say
fight them back.
she better make sure say them not fight me too.
We fight them back, it can't make people bully you. Watch out man, the clothes. Why are clothes is like that on her body?
Listen, if I come to talk, no problem. But these people pull out a gun on you.
Yeah.
Walk to hell.
I'm gonna say, cause where's Alta?
Right,
Alta is
right over there.
so.
So see, Alta is right beside this place right there. So,
Yeah.
so whenever they're so far up, me just park and walk across the street
and then go chase
and then come back. Yeah.
Monique, here what? Spin and go south and go back where you park
Yeah,
and make
because
way.
this don't make no sense.
Watch the car here first, cause them realize say you could turn.
This make absolutely
Yeah.
no sense.
This is ridiculous. Like no.
Good
idea to just park over here and walk, because we would still be looking for parking in 2 different spots. What you say?
You cannot wear wig into the windy weather outside. It will go on.
Hi, yes, we're picking up an order. Ooh. So the first place we're going to is gonna go down to Marshall's and then we'll buy it in Marshall's and then come back up to what was that, Monique?
Chili's.
To Chili's, because Chili's is a long wait and we were thinking of going at, what do you call that? Kava, but there is a long line there too, so we can cross through there. Someone can cross through here so and walk. So we're getting our steps in today, right?
Yeah.
Getting those steps in. Oh my gosh, look at, guys, look, let me show you. Oh, I should have showed you all that way, but it's like every single where you go there is non-stop traffic. Like no, it's like everybody's out because it's like the savings have started. So I get it, you know, everybody want an early head start on their Christmas shopping. Mind you, I'm walking and crossing these roads and I cannot even see myself because the wig blocked me. It's like every time I try to zoom, I go, the wig blocked me. When they come down here, so cause I don't want to walk into the lady the way. The way how she turned the wheels a while ago give me anxiety. Because I'm like, it shouldn't be turned that way when you can easily look there. Traffic this way again. No, so good thing we're walking. Get those steps. I love it. So when I first get one of these, but you get one for Nevi, and I go wash it in the thing. And if I know I should have take off this piece and go it spoil. Like I literally have one. Nevi would have looked so cute in one of these, but then her foot would have probably fall out because she don't really mastered walking in her shoes without some support in her feet. This is so cute. I like that. That's cute.
Coming back.
Jessica is so cute. Oh, this. Ooh.
$5. It's worth it.
Of a poolside.
Price 10. I wear Puma now. I wear not Puma, but I wear these
Oh, those sides.
slides.
And them type of Crocs here, me like, we have this. Give me those Crocs any day. I have that in them. It's like we just take a chance. Oh god. So we're going in Chili's now to have a lot. Doing Chili's. Wanna try the triple dipper.
By the time I finish with that, I don't want to say it.
That reminds me of you remember Texas Roadhouse rules? So we ordered the triple dipper. So Monique is getting the mozzarella bite wings, and she's also getting the what's the other one called? The fried mozzarella, the wings, and the big bites. I'm getting the southern egg roll, the honey chipotle chicken crisper, and the big bites. So we're gonna switch. And we got chips and thing here. That's what I said, we just need one. I just believe that something should not mix, like peanut butter and you know what I call PBJ? Like, what is peanut butter doing with jelly? It's not supposed to be that way. I got my water with my lemon. Mozzarella bites, the wings, that. And then I got the honey chipotle. This and that. It looks good, right? So and then try it if you want more. Maybe you want more of this here. You want to try the wings?
I don't know what to eat first.
Look, this is boneless.
You didn't have an ear.
A boneless is funny. You're gonna ask him what man?
I'm gonna let him know so it's a card game.
Yeah, this one doesn't have an extra charge. Guys, so he just brought us an extra one for free. Oh my gosh, that nice here. That was a very scrumptious meal. Why, Monica? Chili is nice, man.
It is.
Guys, get the triple dipper appetizer when you go, because
you go to Chili's.
you get to sample
Everything.
all the different. Yeah, we could sample all the favorites.
It's worth it for $16 or $17.
Yeah. No.
You're not struggling, you know? I'm a Jamaican driver. I'm not struggling. And I'm used to driving big vehicle.
Rodrigo said this is nothing for you. Don't even come back the way now.
I know why I'm black the way.
Oh my gosh. Oh, today's been a wonderful day.
Yes.
That's a good day.
A day well spent.
Yeah. And it's by the time we reach at night.
6 o'clock we reach back.
Yeah, because
I'm just looking at the
so we're going to Burlington next. So we are
Burlington, that's in the rich people area.
Oh my gosh, after we did that. Because y'all know
I'm going back right home.
For anytime after 4 o'clock is night time now. And I must say, this look a vest. I need to order some more off Shein, guys. This kept me so warm today. I'm like, give me all the turtlenecks this, because I want to make sure I keep my neck covered, you know, because I don't like wearing scarves. So this is the next alternative. Mind you, it's not really time for scarf yet, but oh, you trying to get sick out here in the streets.
Okay,
you know what's
mommy.
funny? Oh, she see you.
I don't know.
Okay,
Maybe
she
this
see
is the
you.
one they want to see me now.
I'm gonna
But-
go touch. Not, wait.
Me not touch her, me see.
Yeah, wait till
So you need to push out. And so then do it over Jamaica. Just do like that, but I can't talk with that one the way I bad drive. So
I wonder if I hear it, buddy. So you're very close to that mad bump rider.
it doesn't matter if there's a lot of space, trust me. So by the time we come out, you have to learn to drive. You
Yes,
can't
Monique.
stay there.
Alright, no matter what, buddy. Can't
No,
make me
you're there
anxious.
way far. No.
Monique.
So
Oh,
are you good to go?
I like how you do it, Monique.
Yep, even though you can go. You have to know how to bad drive people.
Jesus, Monique.
Oh, no, don't listen.
Monique, a big driver here. And you know, so the man can well and move up and give you
Of
space.
course.
Some
That's what
people
they
are so
selfish. Just say you have to
inconsiderate.
bad drive them
People are so
and bully them.
Monique,
Yeah, if you're not strong,
I realize
people
here
bully
they
you on the
don't
road.
give blind. Like, you know, like how in Jamaica, you know, like how people though.
Jamaica don't give blind, but they're aggressive with it.
Yes.
When they start,
Get them-
go. They say, hold on.
That's the
They're
major
so
difference. When
aggressive
you're
with-
driving in
But
Jamaica,
they might give you
then
way.
we give you away. But just don't bother take long when they give you away. Because then we
Yeah.
take back them way when they give you.
They might bully you, man.
Here, sir, like, it's like if you stop and let somebody through, them look on your way. Like, who
Yeah.
behind you look at your way. And I'm like, can you?
So this girl won't come in here, so come park.
Yeah.
God.
Nowadays I'm lost.
Song.
Yeah.
You don't know this song.
I know this one, man.
Oh.
Hey, country, my born and raised. I know my Jamaican music. She's
Stop sign. Turn.
No,
Oh,
like Jamaica. I rock with the one little mountain here.
Burlington. So we're in Burlington now. I was like, I want to put reindeers.
Right.
Like, and once I check out the Christmas stuff that I had from last year, then I'll know. You know. Ooh, I love the gifts. They have some nice gift sets and stuff. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's a little girl and she looks lost. I'm like, she has no shoes. And nobody don't even look like they lose that child. Yeah, the mother's supposed to get close, like. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Come on. She have a jacket on, but she don't have the shoes.
Yeah, somebody put a jacket because the tag is on it.
This is crazy. No, but she look like she's crying. Can you guys ask her what's her name and maybe announce it? Yeah. Oh, she doesn't
You
answer.
speak Spanish.
Hold on. Hi, baby. Hi.
Speak English.
Me llamo. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Hi, baby. Me llamo. She not talk.
She's crying.
Oh my gosh.
No, I'll wear the ladies' clothes off.
Oh my gosh.
All in the middle of the floor now. I don't know. I'm just following.
Keep an eye on her, cause she's
here,
gonna.
baby.
Come here, sweetie.
Come here. Come here.
Come
I made the
here.
men's off.
Come here. Come. Wait. No. No. Don't go far. Just let her stay close. Hold on, sweetie. Hold on.
That
Come
is
here.
crazy.
Yeah.
First of all, she has no shoes
She
on.
has no shoes on.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna make
Oh,
an announcement.
Here. Oh, there.
She has to put no. She has to put shoes on, sweetheart. She cannot walk around here with the pins on the floor like that. Okay, thank you.
Oh my
And please keep her with you.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's a little.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. Jesus. What's going on? No, because the little baby, and he just grabbed her up. I'm
Like it was nothing.
like, you miss your baby. Like, she's walking around crying. Oh my gosh. Yeah. That is crazy, man. Oh my god.
With you, I repeat, keep your children with you. There is a lot of things on the floor. We do not want anyone to
Yes, so that's why they announced it now.
keep your children with you.
That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Like the poor baby probably traumatized.
You ever seen it?
No.
Let me show you one picture.
Gorgeous.
It's nice weather for boardroom.
Yeah, that nice too. Say something, but I didn't want to say it in the store. But Monique, you never see what I was showing you? The store people, you know, with the little baby.
Yeah.
Guys, I first noticed it, Monique, when a next couple said, like they were walking past and they said, the baby is lost. And they said, oh, but the baby don't have on shoes, but at least my baby have on jacket. So that's when I started looking and was like, which kid they talking about?
But the jacket the baby have on is from the store.
Yeah,
so
but
a tag
no,
on it.
no, them did not compare because the woman, they have a little baby in her hand too. You know how people make joke and say put a socks on the baby, so that's what she said. So that's why she said that. And then I was like, what's happening? But what I was trying to show you is that the workers were, because they look like they're young, they never look like they know how to handle the situation, because they were going to let the baby walk away. That's why I went to her and grabbed her up, because she's ready to run again and look for her parents. And her parents, guys, we saw a baby wandering around lost in the store. The baby is at the back of the store. The parents are at the front at the store.
Like they're in the line.
In the line. You mean you in the line and you don't realize your baby? That baby look like about 18 months. The baby can't even talk properly.
Yeah.
I was thinking that probably Spanish the baby talk. That's why I asked her. But it's not Spanish. They look like not Mexican,
Middle Eastern people.
Yes, whatever, Arabic
yeah.
or whatever. That's the language they look like they talk.
That's crazy.
And this other guy comes over. If y'all remember a couple videos back, we had actually watched a career when he had to come down. We had actually saw this guy where he couldn't find. We found his phone, and he came over and he was like, "This is what they do all the time." So it looked like it's a regular thing for them, for just the baby, they just do their thing. This is the second time we've come to the store and we see people leave them kids just...
It's crazy, but what for me though?
Yeah.
The guy came, grabbed the baby, and just pretend like nothing happened.
Like it's a regular thing. The man just take the baby from me.
For the baby to be by herself while in the line, and all the way up front.
And I'm saying, as soon as I saw that little girl, I saw my daughter.
That's crazy.
That's what I saw. Monique, I could not walk away and leave that baby wandering. And the poor people, them look like young girls in the store. So they're
doing holiday work. They're young schoolgirls. You see that girl that doing cashier and pull her stomach with a door, and they're young high school children that
so that's probably why they never know what to do.
Yeah, they're young children.
Because I was like, I told her, I was like, when I was going to pick up the baby, she's like, what should she do? So I said, take her, ask her her name, and announce it over the intercom so that the parents, because I'm like, why are people not frantically screaming out, where's my child, where's my child? Like, I would have gone to the front to go announce, say, like, go say, if you see a baby, bring her to the front of the store. Like, some people don't have kids, man. Jesus.
The guy was so calm and cool.
It's like a regular thing.
Like,
it's like nothing for him. That his
the baby
child.
Like, it's okay. I was just up there.
And suppose somebody, you see, that's how kids go missing all the time, you know, because the wrong person could have seen that baby girl by herself, don't know how to talk English, gone through the store, because they don't even realize that their child is missing.
Yep.
People, And the baby don't even have on shoes. That's the next thing that's upsetting. The baby don't have on shoes, and her
baby
toes
have on a jacket.
Have on a jacket in the store with the tag on it. And her toes were so red and delicate. Oh my gosh. So that's why the lady was so agitated. The older woman.
Barbie.
Oh, is she named Barbie?
Barbie.
Oh, I never said she named Barbie. So she come over and she's like, that's why she said something. She's like,
yeah, she was like, hold on.
She's like,
she's
like, it's not going like this. They need to put shoes on this baby and whatever. So that's why she went to the intercom and made the announcement that people need to put shoes on the baby, because first thing, your baby missing, your baby not on shoes, and your baby have on jacket from. Look how much little stuff on the floor, and you just walk around. When Nevi was them, people call me overprotective if you want, but when Nevi was them age, like Nevi now walk. She's going in the cart. I'm putting her. Nevi is 4 years old. I'm still put Nevi in the cart
because they will run away.
Cause they will.
Like they're very curious and they'll walk away
oh
and
my
just stop.
Gosh.
But how can the baby walk away that far for you to be in the front in the line? The baby don't.
You are going through the store and you don't realize that your baby not with you. But I'd love to see if they have other kids. Because if they had other kids, I only wonder what's happening in that home. Because the baby, you could see that the baby was crying too. Can you see her eyes raining? Oh gosh, man. Stuff like that just, I don't know. I mean, I could have never worked in
I could not work in those stores.
No sir, I couldn't do it. I could not.
Because she says it's normal.
It's normal. And if I see you coming here all the time with that baby, like I'm like, put on socks on that baby. Because that baby, if you don't want to put on shoes, may I say socks. Because some people, like, I understand we're in a now society where people like to walk barefoot. Because it's an actual thing in Monique. Some people don't wear shoes. You never seen that before? I've seen that in America. Mota Baruka. I've seen that where people don't wear shoes going out on the road. And I'm like, okay, I'm not the one to, you know, everybody lives a different life. Oh god! I in my house we wear socks too. Because I'm always scared I'll catch up cold in my foot. I don't know how true it is.
My foot just burned me.
Oh, me easily catch cold. So even Nevi wears socks to keep her feet warm, because once she's just like me. Once my feet are cold, I start sneezing. If my toes are cold, I sneeze non-stop. At night time when Nevi gets sick, I rub up Nevi foot bottom with the Vicks and the this and the that and put socks on it.
My foot just tender.
My granny raised me.
My foot not used to grow.
Oh my gosh!
Even on the carpet I wear like slippers.
Yes, I do that too. I do that. Guys, it is 6:30 and it looks like midnight. I just noticed that Burlington closes at 12 a.m.
12, yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
12 a.m.
But I think the best time to come is early in the morning when they restock and fix up the stuff on the shelves and organize. Yeah. And they put new stuff out.
Yeah. But it's listen, Barbie, I don't know if you noticed something, the Barbie, the store manager or whatever. She's a really nice lady, you know?
She is.
Because I was showing you something when I said, come on Monique, let's get out of the store because too much going on.
Right.
The same girl that cashed us, she had a breakdown.
Oh really?
Yes, Barbie took her and said, come sweetie. She called her name and said, come here sweetie, what's happening? I don't know if it's a customer spoke rudely to her.
Yeah, Barbie's really nice.
But she started crying and Barbie took her into the staff room.
Yeah.
And I said, no sir, this is too much.
Oh, she was crying?
Yes, so I was shocked to see her come back at the cashier register, because when we were down there, she had just walked and I saw her. And then Barbie took her in there. I'm like,
what easy little things like these children cry to, you know, these people in this country, you know.
Yeah, because sometimes people are impatient and they don't know if to talk to. They think, oh, because you work in the store, I can talk to you any and any
talk
way.
To them back.
No, but Monique, I'm like those kids. When I was, you understand, is know my back get broad. My back never used to broad. I remember when I first started working, and the least I remember one co-worker said something to me. I went in the bathroom and cried, Monique. And my supervisor take me one side. My supervisor take me one side and said, Jordan, listen, you're gonna encounter lots of that. You have to listen. You have to grow thick skin, because if you don't grow thick skin, people are gonna trample all over you. And never forget.
Listen.
Because you know, through me the young, you know, me a young girl just left high school and just start work. So you know, the older staff, them speak to you anyway. And mind you, my parents always spoke to me respectfully. My mother and my father never disrespect me and say call me, or you understand what I'm saying? So I'm never used to that. So I can understand for somebody now just working in that store as a seasonal worker, as a young person, them go talk, customer talk to you anyway, you're not used to that at home. You're gonna cry.
You're not crying.
Monique, you different. You build different, you know. Some people just naturally build to anything just trickle off of them back. Like certain words don't. You understand? But some people, it takes some time for them to get there. And me was one of them. It takes some time for me to reach the word. Now, say nothing to me. Me, I tell you it back 10 times once. But before, Monique now cross her the wrong way.
Listen, there's this guy, the guy that we tell about our work. Where I don't know what this man problem is with me. I just don't know. Because I don't look him way, he don't look my way. And one day he rubbed me the wrong way. And we go home and we think about it. We sleep nicely. We come back the next day. We call him in my office and close the door.
But like how you confront stuff right on, you know, make it exactly just like.
And me say, me sit down in my chair and me fold my hands up. And me say, this is a one-on-one talk between me and you. What is your problem with me? You start and see me rub me hand. I don't have a problem with you. Me say you do. Because every time I tell you to do something, you have a pushback. So what is your issue? I don't have a problem, I don't have a problem. Me say, let me tell you something. This is the wrong one. And hear him now. Are you threatening me? I said, anyhow you want to take it, but I am the wrong person for you to be messing with. From then, you don't look me don't look you weird. And since recently, me see my come. Oh, the other day wanted something to notarize.
You didn't tell me.
And he come in at my office, he knocked the door. Me said, come in. He said, you're a notary, right? He said, yes. He said, I bought a house, I have this paper, I'm here notarizing. I said $20. He said, I said, how many signatures? He said for him and his wife. I said $20. And he come and he bring him money. But he can't stand in front of me, he cannot look in my face. Because he say feel threatened. You know, like I just basically tell him, don't pick on me. I'm not the one for you to pick on, because me will floor you and then come home. Like literally, don't play with me, because I'm not trouble you. I'm a decent girl, I'm a quiet girl, but do not mess with me, because I'm not messing with you.
I cannot, what is
don't trouble me. Yeah. Do not. So my receptionist was telling somebody that I didn't know they were hearing me outside. She was telling somebody, she said, I don't know what happened, but I heard the Jamaican came out in Monique, because I heard Monique telling whatever his name is, don't mess with me, I'm the wrong one for you to mess with. But it not trouble me no more. I confront stuff because if I leave it for tomorrow and next day, I'm not gonna do it anymore. And I need to let you know that if you do this today, don't try it tomorrow, because it don't go well with me, and it's not gonna go well with me. I'm not the one for you to bully, because it's not gonna work out. You're gonna end up on the wrong side, so don't even bother try it. Don't try it at all.
Oh my gosh, guys,
that's how I've always been. Me no play. I'm very quiet, but don't play with me and don't play with the people around me.
One time I said that's what I love about Monique, because Monique don't play about her people. She's like,
do not.
She's on it. She's
play
like,
with
don't mess
my
around.
little circle of people them when me like. I play with them.
And on that, we're gonna wrap this up because my battery died. I never realized the battery died. But anyways, guys, I will see you all in another video. I hope you all enjoyed this little shopping vlog today. It was a fun day, right?
Yeah.
I'll see you all.
We don't even gonna eat that food anymore.
I feel full too. I'm like, I still feel stuffed. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm gonna just drink a juice and go to bed. Okay.